Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. Let's find out who this is from. So we have some stamped cross-stitch kits. Get it out of the bag here. I'll be right back. Right, this is from OneDaySaving, and we'll start with the very first one. It's a 40 by 50. Get it out of its crinkle bag. Let me flip it over here. All right, I will put a picture here. All right, and that way you can see it, but I just thought it was beautiful. I loved all the blue and the roses and everything just came together here. And this one was $10.06. Let's look at the paper pattern first. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Oops, it has 40 colors. We have no 310, but we have 550 purple, 666 red, 823, which is the dark blue. Hang on, I gotta undo it here. Kind of stick together. Not stick, I think it's like static electricity. We have 939, no 3371, and no 3865 for the white. But very well printed. I'm not seeing any smudges or smears. Just very faintly right in here, but nothing, you know, dramatic at all. I wish they'd get their act together, but I'm not going there today. So the rest of it's nicely printed. And it doesn't look like it has a whole lot of confetti. There's just little tiny areas of confetti here and there, you know, just kind of a sprinkle. The rest of it is like rivers of color. So that's good. We will see. All right. Let's see what we got going down here. Got to scooch everything over. Does come with an instruction page, how to start, how to finish, how to embroider. Does have a toolkit, and I believe it's the puppy dogs. But it's so faint, I don't think anyone can see that. But does come with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. We'll just put that over there for right now. And let's look at the colors. Does have a sticker with how big it is and the product number. Let's see what we got in this baggie. Doesn't look like a whole lot of thread. Looks like 823. Nope, 939. I lied. Very nice. Whole hank of that. It's 40 strands of thread. See if I can get it undone here. Look at all those beautiful blues and magentas and bright pinks. Everybody, it's all messed up. So we have teals and blues and a darker purple. Very pretty, beautiful colors. Just jewel tones. And over here, we have more purples. This is your 550 purple. Right here, have light purple, corals, magentas, royal blues, just a lovely, lovely combination of colors. Just gorgeous. Just bright and vivid. Ugh, it's going to be stunning. Let me get everybody together, but look at all those colors. Isn't that just beautiful? It's like a rainbow. Gorgeous. You know we'll have to start this one soon. Just because of all the colors. Let me put everybody over there. Now the canvas is serged all the way around. Up, about cut the canvas. Oh my goodness, not today. Get my fuzzies put away. Yeah, I'd say that this little thing is better for diamonds. They don't stick to your fingers. Of course, my hands are dry because we've been doing a lot of paperwork. Not paperwork, but work with paper products and kind of wiping things down, and my hands are just so dry. But I do have my hand lotion. I just didn't put it on today. Very nicely printed key. The stitching goes right along the edge. Does not get in the numbers. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square, all printed on there. But nice, vivid colors. Very easy to see symbols. So that's nice. But see what I mean? There's like little areas of color. And then just every once in a while, you get a little bit of confetti. Just a tiny bit here, you know. Tiny bit over here. So that's very nice. It makes it nice and easy to stitch and to work on. You know, just pick a color. Any color will do. Just start, you know. All right. So let's see. It is 50 centimeters that way. And 41 centimeters that way, or 16 1/4. Actual size is 34, nope, I'm sorry, oh, I'm a little over 34 centimeters, or 13.5 inches by, oh, it's 40 by 50. I was thinking this was square. That's funny. All right, 43.5 or 17 1/4 inches. So it's a nice size. Kind of a lap size. You don't have all that excess fabric and everything else. You just hold it in your lap like so, and you can roll the other end up if you want. If you don't want it laying down over your legs or whatever, but I just kind of let it go. But yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. Especially for $10. And very well done. I'm glad it's serged. Semi-nice pattern because it had a few glitches, but nothing that was going to change the pattern, or because it was in places where there was big area color, so you knew it was the big area color. There's nothing wrong with the canvas, so you're good. And it's an 11 count. Okay, this next one, it was $14.35. It actually has a picture. Now, if I could just figure out how to open it. Oh, there we go. Get the paper off of it. All right. I thought this was a beautiful, beautiful picture. And it's fair size. It is 50 by 65, if I can get it to lay down flat. But isn't she pretty? You have a little lizardish thing there. And you have peacock feathers and jewels and stuff all there. And then you have this headdress thing she has. She's holding some kind of grapes. And it just, there's just so much going on. Just so much. It is a 50 by 65, and it's 191 by 256, 11 count. So all that's across here. This is a nice big paper pattern. Let's see what we got going here. It does have the instructions attached to the big pattern. Paper pattern should match the canvas. Seeing a couple little blotches on the paper itself. Do you see that under the number 90? Let's take a look at the canvas. The paper pattern. Just a couple here and there, but you know that whole section is number 31. So I'm not seeing any smears or anything that's fuzzy. Other than that's it. So that's a good thing. This has 50 colors. We have no 310. It has 498, which is that rustish red. We have 550 purple. No 666 red. We have 823, 939. No 3371. We do have 3865. Very small, but let me just fold this in half. It's kind of big, huge pattern, but it is printed very small. You might want to blow that up if you'd like. I mean, it's printed very well and nice and clear. It's just a little bit tiny. So if you need to blow it up, that's your prerogative. It does have the color scheme running down the side, which is nice and very well clearly printed. The whole thing just needs to be a bit bigger. Just a bit bigger. But I thought that was just gorgeous. I love the teals and the greens and the iridescent look of it all. But lots and lots of colors. Okay, this comes. Let's get here. Whoa, nope. No avalanches today, please. So, I don't think you can see it, but there's a bird there. I don't know whether it's a phoenix or an eagle or whatever. Nope, it doesn't help turn it over. I'm sorry. But yeah, it comes with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. I'll just set that over there since it'll probably fall off the avalanche. It does have the sticker here on how big it is and the product number. Trying. Oh, maybe I got it backwards. Nope, I had it right the first time. Lots and lots of colors in this. So we have a hank of 838, which is kind of a darker brown. We have a hank of, I don't know what this color is, 413, which is kind of a charcoal grayish color. It looks more green-gray in person than actual gray. And this is 939. So you have a hank of each one of those. Let me get the colors undone. Hold on. It'll be a hot moment. Since everybody decided when I shook it, it went 6 ways from Sunday. So hang in there. Oh, for goodness sake. Now we're all together. Okay, everybody shift. Look at those beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning. There's not too much of that 3865. But you do have 50 colors, so it should be very well defined. Wait till you see this. Oh, this is just unbelievable. Look at all those beautiful, beautiful jewel colors. Just gorgeous and not to be outdone. Aren't they just beautiful? You just want to take a bath in them. They're so beautiful. They're stunning. There's your 550 purple. But look at how bright the greens and oranges and yellows are. Just vivid, vivid, vivid colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That is a hunk of thread. But they are gorgeous. Beautiful. Just stunning. Put that in there so nobody gets lost along the way, because crap happens around here. And everybody gets separated here. Yeah. Okay. Get it to lay down. Maybe that'll hold everything over there. Let's take a look at this canvas. All right. Very nicely printed. It is serged all the way around. I'm trying to get it. It's a little wide and it's a little long. So the stitching does not go into the numbers, so that's very nice and clear. Look how big her face is. Holy cow. I mean, it must be 8-9 inches long. So yeah, this is going to be gorgeous. Oh, I thought I liked my Peking ladies. I think I got a new one that I really, really like. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Very well printed. I'm going to fold it and hold it as well as I can. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see. I don't know. I'm trying to make up my mind about the confetti here. I mean, there is some, and there's 50 colors, so there's got to be some kind of definition. But it does have its big areas, but I wouldn't say it was few and far between like the other. Now you got that great big area up there, but there's probably 6 or 8 symbols right in here, because half of them are the same color. I know. Of course I hit that bell. Very nice, but very well printed. So we will just have to see. We'll start in one corner and work our way down, right? Kind of want to start with her face. But it's a big area. Okay, 64 centimeters or 25 1/4. And it is 43.5 centimeters or 17.25 here for size, actual size that is. And actual size this way is 58 centimeters or, I mean, it's, okay, 22 3/4. Yeah, that's the closest. But I think it's going to be beautiful with all those colors, but it is big. It's very wide. This might be a winter project, but yeah. So very nice. Nice, smooth canvas. It's not rough. It is a little thick, but it's not as thick as some. So that's a good thing, which means it'll crunch down really well. I can't believe how big her face is. It just blows me away. Yeah. But you can see here how it's confettied along that edge where there's a whole bunch of definition. And yeah. So basically where there's not a big area, there's confetti. But I think it'll be fun to work on though with all those beautiful colors. All right. So this was part 1. Part 2 will be next week. So be sure to tune in to that. Now, OneDaySaving has free shipping over $50. If they have any specials, I'll put it in the description box below. And they have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. I don't know what they do their custom in, but they do have custom. And they also have beaded cross-stitch. They have tools and crafts for all 3 of the majors. And they're always having, you know, sales of some kind. So do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. And next week, we will see what else came in. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.